the first thing that you'll want to do is take a trimmer or a scissor and cut apart your tag paper. I'm going to set aside the 6 tags that we are using and put the rest away for now. Then what I'm going to do is, after I take those apart, I'm going to separate my paper pad by pulling apart all the sheets and setting them aside. Use your paper trimmer to cut 1/4 inch off both the short and the long edge of the plaid paper and the Christmas tree paper. Then what you're going to want to do is cut a 1-inch strip of the tree paper from the long edge. You'll want to use your glue runner to apply the plaid paper to the front of the box. Then we're going to apply the green tree paper strip about a 1/2 inch from the bottom. Then we're going to use our stickers and apply them just like the picture shows. We used pop dots on the back of the car to make it stand up a little bit, and then we also decorated with rhinestones once we had all of our stickers on. Use a scissor to cut the corners off of your tag. Next, what I'm going to do is find the green polka dot paper, cut a 1/4 inch off of the long and short edge so it's ready to go. Then I'm going to use that strip of paper and apply glue right to my clothespin, add the paper, trim it off, and then I'm going to use that clothespin to attach the greenery to the tag, and then adhere my tag right to the box. For our next treat box, you're going to pull out your red dot paper, holly leaf paper, and your black and red buffalo plaid. And again, for all 3 of these, we are going to cut that 1/4 inch off of the long edge and off of the short edge. We're only going to be using the 1/4 inch strip that we cut off, so set that aside. Then you're going to take your holly leaf paper and cut off 2 inches from the short edge. Adhere the red paper to the front of your treat box, and then adhere the holly leaf about a 1/2 inch from the right. And then what we're going to do is grab our sticker sheet. You'll want to apply the stickers just like it's shown on the picture on your instruction sheet. As you can see, we did use pop dots on the word jingle just to give it a little bit of dimension, and then we added the rest of our stickers. This time we're using the blue tag with the Christmas tree. You're going to take your scissor and cut those corners off, grab a piece of greenery. We're going to use that buffalo plaid strip, and we're going to apply adhesive to our clothespin, stick the paper on, trim off the excess, and then we are going to clip that together, and then apply glue to the bottom of the tag and adhere it to the front of the box. For the next box, you're going to trim a 1/4 inch off the long and short edge of the striped paper and the black paper with words, and we're going to set aside our 1/4 inch strip that we had already cut from that red polka dot paper. A 1-inch strip from the long edge of the striped paper. We're going to adhere the black and white words paper to the front of our box. Then we're going to adhere the 1-inch strip about a 1/2 inch up from the bottom of the box. Then we're going to apply the 3 ornament stickers, red all the way to the right. Then the smaller one we cut off so it's right at the very top. And then we use pop dots on the back of the green ornament. Then apply the rest of the stickers and rhinestones as shown. Use your scissors to clip the corners off of the Oh Joy tag. Grab some greenery and a clothespin and put the glue on your clothespin and apply that red polka dot paper. Trim off the excess, clip it together, apply adhesive to the bottom of the tag, and put it on the front. Then we're going to use our clear rhinestones and put 3 of them on the ornament. For our next box, we're going to grab the green polka dot paper, and we've already trimmed a 1/4 inch off of this one. So we're going to start trimming the edges off of our multicolored polka dot one. Then we are going to adhere the green paper to the front, and then we are going to cut a 1-inch strip of the multicolored dotted paper, and we are going to cut that off of the short edge. Then we're going to adhere that to the left side of the box about a 1/2 inch from the left side. Now we're going to apply our stickers just like it is shown in the picture. And then what we're going to do is put pop dots on the back of the heart sticker just to give that a little dimension. For this one, you'll want to use the brown letterboard tag, so cut the corners off. Then we're going to apply green plaid paper from the little strip that we used on our first box onto this clothespin, clip it on and adhere it. Then we added a couple more stickers, one to the bottom right corner and then one little red heart. So put the red rhinestone on the berry by the bird, and then we just put 2 white ones around the stickers on the left side. For this box, we'll be using our black and white buffalo plaid, which has already been trimmed, and we are also going to use what's left of this black and white holly leaf paper. We're going to start by using our glue runner and adhering the black and white buffalo plaid paper to the top of our box. Then I'm going to use my paper trimmer and I'm going to cut a triangle out of this black and white holly paper and adhere it to the bottom right corner. Next, I'm going to put the paper sticker embellishments on, and we used pop dots on the bottom of the coffee cup sticker to give it that little bit of dimension. For this box, we'll be using the green tag with the coffee mug on it, so we're going to trim off the corners. Then we're going to find our black and white dotted paper and trim a 1/4 inch off both edges, and we're going to use that paper to adhere to our clothespin. So again, cut off the excess, clip it on, glue the tag on. Then what we're going to do is add our little rhinestones. So we put a few red ones on the hollyberry leaves. For our next box, we're going to use the black and white dotted paper, a green ledger paper, the holiday stripes paper, and then we're using a little piece of the red floral paper for our clothespin. So I'm going to trim that 1/4 inch off of both sides of the ledger paper. The others have already been cut down. I'm also cutting down the holiday stripe paper to match the height of my ledger paper and cutting a 1 inch strip out of that. Then I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch strip of my black and white dotted paper. So attaching the ledger paper to the front of the box, the 2.5 inch strip of white and black over on the right, and the holiday stripe paper right down the center. Then what I'm going to do is put my stickers on. For our sticker that is pop dotted, I chose a little red heart that goes just above the tree there. So I'm going to put that on the back and stick it on. And then for this one, we are going to be using the Holly Yay tag, and we're going to cut the corners off of that. We're going to apply our red floral strip to our clothespin, attach our greenery, and then attach our tag to the box. And for this one, I used red rhinestones to embellish the Christmas tree. Once you're finished, you're going to take all your boxes, fill them with treats, use your black twine that was included, take a 12 to 18 inch piece, and we're just going to tie a simple bow around the handle. There's also extra tags that you can use for gift giving.